Escaping the forest. Understanding out of the woods. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before, out of the woods. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can significantly enhance your English comprehension and conversation skills. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, out of the woods, is an idiom that means to emerge from a dangerous, difficult, or complex situation and to no longer be in trouble. When someone says they are out of the woods, they're indicating that the most challenging part of a situation is behind them, though they might not be completely clear of all problems yet. This idiom is believed to have originated from ancient times when forests were commonly associated with danger and uncertainty because of the wild animals and bandits that lurked within. Being out of the woods meant reaching a place of safety after passing through such perilous environments. This phrase captures the relief and sense of survival one feels after navigating through difficulties. Using out of the woods in conversation can help you express relief or a turning point in a challenging situation. Here are a few examples. After a serious illness, my sister has been very sick, but the doctor says she's finally out of the woods. Overcoming financial difficulty. We've been struggling to pay our bills for months, but we're slowly getting out of the woods. In work or school projects, we had many issues with our project initially, but I think we're out of the woods now. The phrase can also be modified slightly to fit different contexts, such as not out of the woods yet, to indicate that while progress has been made, the situation is still not completely resolved. Still in the woods, to suggest that the difficult or dangerous situation continues. Understanding idiomatic expressions like out of the woods can enrich your English communication by adding depth and vividness to your conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not just about memorizing their meanings but also about understanding the context in which they are used. We hope this video has helped shed some light on this picturesque phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.